This is the AI News Flash for July 22nd, 9 p.m. UTC.
First up, Google parent Alphabet reported second quarter earnings that blew past Wall Street expectations, powered by AI demand.
Revenue rose 24% year over year to $119.8 billion, beating estimates of $116.5 billion, while earnings per share came in at $9.11 against an expected $2.88. Google Cloud was the standout, surging 82% to $24.8 billion, with a backlog that has reached $1,514 billion. At the same time, quarterly capital spending nearly doubled from $22.4 billion to $44.9 billion. And CEO Sundar Pichai said AI investments are redefining what is possible across every part of the business. Next, Tesla posted negative free cash flow of $1.1 billion in the second quarter as capital spending surged on its AI and robotaxi push. Revenue of $28.24 billion beat estimates, but adjusted earnings of 33 cents per share missed the 51-cent forecast. Elon Musk plans to spend more than $25 billion this year, nearly triple last year's $8.53 billion, betting on autonomous driving and robotics over the core auto business. Unsupervised robotaxi service expanded to Dallas, Houston, Miami, Orlando, and Tampa, and Tesla won approval for supervised full self-driving in the Netherlands, though shares fell 3.3% after hours. Third, ServiceNow raised its annual subscription revenue forecast once again alongside its second quarter results, citing AI-driven demand, Reuters reported. Its Now Assist AI products are leading the charge, with customers spending over $1 million in annual contract value, up more than 130% year over year. As of the first quarter, the stock has fallen roughly 50% from its highs as Wall Street bets that AI will erode traditional SaaS businesses, making this raised outlook a notable counterpoint to that narrative. CEO Bill McDermott said AI growth is far exceeding even the company's own expectations. Fourth, a study from MIT FutureTech and the University of Queensland estimates that rogue or weaponized AI has a 10% probability of causing catastrophic harm by 2030. Research aggregated estimates from 272 AI experts worldwide, defining catastrophic harm as 1 million deaths or at least $100 billion in losses. Experts identified 24 risk domains with more than a 5% chance of catastrophic outcomes even with mitigations, and risks like mass deception, weapons development, and cyber attacks exceed 10%. The study also flags a structural mismatch. AI users bear the most risk, while the power to reduce it sits with developers, regulators, and lawmakers. Finally, Philadelphia's Transit Authority SEPTA says its AI camera program has driven a 51% drop in bus lane parking violations over the past year. AI-powered cameras mounted on buses automatically detect violating vehicles, and at 13th and Market Street's violations plunged from 515 to just 22, a 96% reduction. Violations at bus stops fell 27%, and routes with cameras saw travel times improve by 3 to 6%. The program extended to trolleys in March, making Philadelphia the first U.S. city to run trolley-mounted enforcement cameras. That's all for this AI News Flash.